Market Life, and welcome to the free video for Friday 13th, 2020. So just kind of a few words here about what's going on in the market. Look, I've seen a lot. I've been trading since the mid-90s. I traded through the Asian financial crisis, the dot-com bust, the 2008, 2009 crisis. I've traded oil, natural gas through hurricanes, grains through droughts. Like, I've seen a lot of stuff, in other words. And let me tell you, what we're seeing now is extreme. By measures of, like, people are saying this is the biggest point loss in the Dow Jones. Well, that's meaningless because you have to think in terms of percents and volatility. But in terms of volatility, this is really at the edge of the map. The problem, though, is that there's no sign of capitulation. So what I'm saying is this really, it's hard to find a reliable trade. I think we've had some relatively easy trades. I think as I record this going into the end of the week, there's nothing that I see really clearly set up. And so this video is really for those of you who are struggling, concerned, whether you're hurting and bleeding on longer term positions, or you have options trades that kind of didn't turn out how you thought they might. Just a word of caution here that you want to be very careful about being reactive. And a lot of times there's a sense that, oh, you got to get in there, you got to trade, you got to be in it to win it, right? There are a lot of stupid Wall Street sayings, okay? You got to be in it to win it. That's a good one. There is a time when everything sets up and you need to be aggressive. You need to take the risk. There's also nothing wrong with stepping back from a market and saying, hey, I don't understand this. Tom and I had a long-term position in gold we've been holding for a long time. And it's just not acting right. So we looked at it and we said, you know what? I don't really understand what's going on here. And we closed the position. And don't be afraid to walk away from a trade. Don't be afraid to sit on your hands. There will be more tradable conditions. And I think the market is at an extreme and an extremely unpredictable phase. So just have a little bit of patience and have a little bit of patience with yourself. And this is a stressful time. Market stress can bleed over into real life. So do something nice for somebody else. Be nice to yourself. Be kind to everybody else. And that's really what we need to think about heading into the end of the week. We'll see you back soon for another update. Thank you very much.